Hello guys, today I show you how to video screen recording on PC by using OBS Studio. So you open the OBS Studio. So it's opening now. Click here. Yes. First, when you open, I will redo again for you. So when you open it, it is empty like this. So how to record? To record, you click here. This is source. Click here. Right click. Add here. And select display capture. You can rename it or any you want and click OK. And then this is set the size and click OK. And then what's to do next? To do next, you go to setting here or here. I'm sorry. Or here, click setting here. So the general is no need to edit, to click stream, no need. Output here, output advanced, you select advanced here and then select record. So this is location where you want it store after you record. So I record in this 3D. I record here and select folder. That is click track. Yeah, this is CBR. And click apply and audio, select the 48 kilohertz. This is select studio stereo, and this is the mix. When you're talking, the mix set is default as my experience. If you click this, the sound is not louder as default, so I prefer default. And then this is the same. And then a video, I prefer this size. You can choose here. This is smaller. Output, I prefer this. Advanced. Maybe that's all. And click OK. So you do recording. To recording, click this. Start recording. So it will record for you. And you stop recording. And then you open the file where you output. So I output in here. So you can open. This is right. Recording. So it will record for you. Yeah. And you. So that's all. It's easy. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.